Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ferdinand Castana. So this is my first video of unboxing a product. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the Bode Rockerz Bluetooth wireless headphone. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. So this is the product which I have brought. It is from Amazon. So let us unbox this. So as you can see, here it has been provided with a nice big headphone symbolizing the Bode, and at the back you can see it has been given the earphone name Rockerz wireless headphone, and of course the headphone symbol, and along here at the left side a Bode symbol. So let us unbox this quickly. Okay, so inside this box we have one headphone, and inside this packet we have two things. One is the AUX or the aux mode cable, and the other one is a type B USB cord. And inside this we have a warranty card which comes for 1 year. If you just call up on this number and activate the warranty, then here is the user manual or something which many of the celebrities have paid partnership with the product, and the IPL team also here, official audio partners. And this is the user manual of the headphone. You can read this if you do not know some sort of thing from this part. So let me open and show you this audio cable USB. Okay, so it's a long wire, I think approximately 2 feet, and the USB cable is a type B one, which is approximately 1.5 feet. And along with this they have given a Bode sticker. Okay, so this is all the content which was there in the box of the Bode headphone. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing of this headphone. The original price of this is 2,500 rupees, but since there was an off on Amazon, a 60% off, I got this for 1,000 rupees, which is approximately equal to $13.5. So as it has been advertised on the product, it has a 12 hours audio playback, the headphone. The features are like, it is nice, it has a nice cozy padded ear caps which are at the side, also for the head, which is nice and durable. You can even adjust your head size according to your wish. Now this headphone comes in three colors. One is red, green and black. So I have taken the black one, black and the goldish color one. On the headphone you can see there is a plus minus symbol and a playback symbol. Also you have the AUX mode or the aux mode, where you can connect this cable to this. And obviously you have the type B cord for charging the headphone. This is Bluetooth. So let us see how to connect this on the mobile phone. So for starting the headphone, you just have to press the middle button, a long press, and then it starts. You can see the blue red light blinking. That means that it has to get connected. So let us see on the mobile phone. So I on my Bluetooth of my mobile and it is connecting to Rockerz 370. Okay, so it has been connected and you can test the headphone. So this was all about the unboxing of the Bode headphone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.